three-phase motor starter with protection against low voltage, high voltage, overload and reverse phasing protection. It can be used up to 7.5 HP DOL motor, single cable. The setting is as shown in the next panel. First it will show the display whatever the voltage it is, and in the below it will show off condition. First connect 3 cable from the KEB RYB and the motor cable ABC. Now switch on the panel. It will show the amps which is taking, say about 10 amps. Now it is drawing 10.1 amps. It is having protection against low voltage, high voltage, overload and dry run. In order to set overload and dry run, you have to switch it off first. Between on and off push button there is a set push button. Press for 2 seconds. It will show 25 first. By pressing red push button, take it to below 12, around 12. Because 10 it was showing, it was drawing, it can set at 12 amps. Then again press it and for dry run, keep it at 8 amps. Press it once again, cyclic off. Then switch it on. It is drawing 10.1 amps. The setting is at 12 overload and 8 dry run. If it exceeds 12, it will trip in overload, and if it comes below 8, it will trip in dry run. Now it trips in overload. At the time reset it by pressing a red push button, switch it on. Now we will check for dry run. Dry run is set at 8 amps. Motor running without load is nothing but a dry run. Below 8 amps, when it reaches, it will trips in dry run, showing dry indication.